Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add screen snip to taskbar in Windows 10. Right-click, New Shortcut. Copy the command from description and paste it. Click Next. Change the name of the shortcut. Click Finish. Right-click of the shortcut, click Properties. Click Change icon. Type shell32.dll. Select Snip tool. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Simply drag the shortcut to taskbar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.